This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Mary Parsons. All brick and all on one level. You won't want to miss this great home. Open floor plan with laminate flooring and tile. No carpet. 2-car attached garage. Master with walk-in shower and walk-in closet. There is a third room that can be used as a bedroom, office or bonus. HVAC is 2 years old. Conveniently located to schools, shopping, Interstate. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Parsons at 865-966-1111.